I just my tita bought me something, and guess what? Wait, goes the other one. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. First, I'm going to open this first because yeah. Oh. Then what the heck am I supposed to do? Oh. Ay. Ang dami. Oh, who is this? Oh! Ito yung damit niya. Oh! And what's in the other bag? Other clothes, of course. And I'm going to open the doll. Because, yeah. And here's the doll. Bubuin ko na yung clothes. Oh wait, I forgot the shoe. Unahin ko muna to, so scratch off. I will redeem it later. So, ito may isang piso ko. And I will scratch it off. Here. I think i-redeem ko talaga siya sa in-game. I guess. But I have to eat first because my mom is forcing me. And I'm hungry.
I eat chairs. 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 I eat chairs.
So she's finally done, I guess. I just spent like minutes figuring out of the leg warmers how she wears it. But finally, I'm done. Yes. Okay, what the heck? Di ko pa nilabas yung yung photo card. So I decided to let it free. And di ko pala alam, dito pala hahanapin. There's 2 secrets. And it's Lana is one of them, OMG. And I got this one. Hi guys, I'm now opening my Dress to Impress doll. Look. It cost like 2,200. So freaking expensive. Here, Stardust Sophie. Stardust Sophie is the embodiment of an old soul and a retro lover. Growing up, she was always fascinated with the style and the shape of 80s. This passion greatly influenced her decision to become a fashion designer. Her 2 favorite hobbies in the world are sewing and astronomy. When she was younger, her parents bought her a telescope for her birthday, sparking up for our solar system and the stars. Friends often describe her as literally thoughtful advice. Now, look at this. Oh, nasa box. I removed the box. Nakakabit. Grabe, nakakabit. I'm going to cut this when I open it. Almost na inilabas ko. And I took up her bag first. Oh, finally, she's out now. And I took off that card and the DLC thingy. Wait, I'm going to get the other one. And I'm going to find it later. So this is that doll. And I finally took her out of the box. Yeah, she's fully posable. Here is the code. I couldn't find the other one. But it was used to be here.
I was about to be redeeming the code in-game, but my holy lag took it, so I have trash Wi-Fi. I'd what to say here, but bye.